Alright, so now let's install the STM32CubeMX software. So just search STM32CubeMX in Google and just follow the first link. STM32CubeMX. Okay, so this is actually application given by ST which generates code automatically by taking your configuration. So it's a very powerful tool. Let's explore this. Come down here, and here there is a get software section is there, right? So just download this CubeMS software. You have to log in, I think. All right, so now let's download that. So I will be right back after the download. So the download is completed. Now let's go to that folder and let's extract this. Okay, so it is extracted, and let's go under this CubeMX and you will find one application here. So let's install this. Click next. I accept the agreement. Next. Okay, so this will install this application in C directory. Let it be. Let's install in this path, no problem. Okay. Okay, so it says that the directory is already exists for me because I have already experimented with some older versions. For you may not see this error if you are installing it for the first time. Click next. Okay, and it is installing CubeMX related files. Okay, so now click next. Installation has completed successfully. So under this ST microelectronics folder, that's fine. Click on done. Great. So this is CubeMX version 4.22. okay, just remember that. And now let's go to all programs, and here I have to open ST microelectronics, right? Here, and cube, here you can see STM32 cube, and just open this application CubeMX. Great. Now go to help and click on this help here, which will open up the whole documentation of this software. So if you are interested, you can go through this documentation, but for a time being not required. Okay, I'll just close this. If you check about here, you can see that this is the latest version 4.22. So now what you have to do is again go to help and click for check for updates. And what it is saying is there is the firmware package for STM32F4XX series is available. And if your microcontroller is based on F4, then you may have to install this. So what you have to do is just click here, and you can see what are all the updates available. Okay, so like seems like they have updated FAT file system, FreeRTOS to 9.0, etc. Okay, so they have made a couple of changes, and if your microcontroller is F7, then you may have to install this. So you can just click on install now to install that. But my microcontroller is of F4, I don't want to install that. But after some time, if you check again for updates, then you may see some of the updates available for your microcontroller. Okay, so frequently you have to check this and install if any updates are available for your microcontroller family. So that you have to do to be in sync with the developers of ST. Okay, so they will fix new bugs, they will introduce new drivers, or they will add new features. So if you want to be sync with them, then you have to frequently update, check for update and install it.